Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Gypsy for sale in Bangalore and wish you all a happy new year. So this is one more beautiful vehicle which is readily available for sale in Bangalore. This is a 2011 model with huge number of accessories available. The vehicle is coming up with stock bumpers, 2-inch shackles have been installed in this. We also have Hella lights in this, and also Hella LED lights are available. Map reading lights are available. Snorkel is available in this. The vehicle is coming up with off-roading rims. Lambda hub lock is available. 215, 75, 15, 80 tires have been installed on this vehicle, and you can just check out the clean body line of the vehicle, very much neatly maintained. This is an hardtop vehicle, 2-seater vehicle. This is a rally cabin, and this hardtop is an adventure hardtop which can be detachable, and you can travel on this. Set of 5 tires are available from JK, and you can just check out these are the Rockslidders, and stickering is done on this vehicle for adventure kind of look. You can just check out the complete body line of the vehicle, very much neat and very much clean at the moment. And off-roading stickers are meant in this. Gypsy 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive, 2011 model, single owner vehicle with all accessories available in this. And also you can just check out the 5th rim is also available in this. 80 tires, and we also have an AutoMech headers installed in this. And you can just check out overall body line of the vehicle, extremely in very much good condition. And this is an detachable hardtop which can be used for camping purpose, and roof tent can be installed on this vehicle. So you can just have a look at this. This can be removed as well as lifted up for other external accessories to be installed, and well as goods to be installed on for camping purpose. So you can just check, this is the setup which is done both the sides. We also have complete luggage space for off-roading as well as traveling purpose. You can keep all your kitchen utilities here. Cooking items can be installed, and also off-road accessories can be installed in this. And huge space is done only for adventure tour kind of planning. So you can just check out from the back side here. You can use couple of things can be installed here. Totally off-roading, that's the adventure setup done on this Gypsy. All over India you can travel on this. Roof tent can also be installed on this. So this is totally designed by the customer as per his customer requirement. He has got it done. So anybody who is really interested in this kind of setup, and this setup is only meant for adventure touring purposes itself. Very much space available in this for the luggage to be carried. And also this setup can be detachable, and only rally cabin can be run on this vehicle. So this vehicle setup is totally a detachable setup, and both the sides we have lightings on this. So you can just check out, this is a tray board also installed on this. So you can just have a look at the complete setup of the kitchen setup is done on this vehicle. Detachable kitchen, so everything is designed as per the customers. Totally a detachable hardtop which can be removed and meant only for camping purpose. So we also have a reverse camera on this vehicle. So right now I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. So you can just check out the interiors. The interiors also is in very much neat condition. We also have a music system in this. Camera is available, both front and back can be seen while driving itself. This is a 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. The seats are in very much neat condition. You can just check out, this is a rally cabin setup. And we also have a power steering in this. Sony speakers, that's the Pioneer speakers are available, tutor, and we also have a power window. And you can just check out, aluminum dashboard is available in this, both the driver sides. Door pads. So when coming to the engine bay, you can just check out the engine bay. We also have a Snorkel installed in this. This is the original 1.3 petrol, 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. Power steering is available in this. And we also have a AutoMech header which is available. So right now I'll be starting the vehicle and showing you the sound of the vehicle. So you can just check out the sound. It's very smooth and very neat. So you can just check out, this is the header. So you can just check, 2-inch lift has been done on this vehicle. A recently serviced vehicle with brand new clutch installed in this. and all the shafts have been completely replaced with a brand new MGP parts. This is readily available for sale in Bangalore, the first owner vehicle, and RC is valid up to 2037, 2011 make Ex Army vehicle, and anybody who is really interested can contact us. The price we are quoting is 6.5 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. This is basically meant for only off-roading as well as travel adventure people who would like to travel as well as do a camping survey on this Gypsy. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us on WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. This vehicle is also Karnataka registered. NOC can also be provided all over India.